everyone and welcome to day 5. Today we're going to focus on this wave here, that's part of the water right here, and we're going to continue to use the smaller detailed brush. And maybe this guy. Okay, so what we want to add in is, or we want to move on to this section, I suppose, here beneath the wave that we just did, and we're going to add in some movements in the water, and we're going to start to create this wave right here. So I'm going to set my timer. 10 minutes, here we go. Okay, so in order to create movements in the water here beneath this wave, I need a lighter color. So I'm going to take a mixture of my white and maybe my lightest blue color. And I'm just going to go along the water and start adding in some movements, something like this. And then these movements are going to be the formation of this wave here. So this wave is going to be a lot lighter, so it really stands out against the wave behind. Just sort of some movements in the water like this. And we want to have these two waves sort of, blended together. So I'm just going to start introducing a little bit of this color then into the wave behind. Maybe even add some highlights in here if you want. Something like that. Just to show again a lot of movement in the water. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to take my darkest color. Well, maybe a mix of my black and my darkest blue. And I'm going to start adding in some more details to this new wave. A little bit grey, so I'm going to go a little bit darker. And if you ever feel like your paintbrush isn't running across the canvas smoothly, just dip it in some water. Maybe just adding in some details down below, some movements in the water. Making sure everything is kind of unified and coming together. Okay, I'm going to start to brighten this up again. So I'm going to take my white and my lightest color blue. And even take a little bit more white if you want. Really just trying to brighten up this wave. And if you want to sort of blend it in again, you can use this brush. Again, this brush has no water on it. Going to take some more blue. I'm going to start bringing this in down here to where I have this highlighted area. Okay, and I'm going to get a darker blue again for this area. With painting, especially for painting the sea, you know, sometimes there's not exact instructions that you need to follow. It is really just creating these movements in the water using a combination of shades, combination of colors, and just kind of going over the same area again and again, creating these movements until you start to see the formation of the wave. So don't worry about trying to get this perfect or trying to follow what I'm doing exactly. You know, you can just experiment, have some fun with it. Just adding some of the color that I have into the wave in the back so that it all starts coming together. Okay, that's my timer for today. But I'm just going to keep going for a few more seconds because I'm going to use the color that I have and start bringing it into the area behind the first wave so that all the colors are nicely blended together. It's very coherent. And I'm going to stop there for today. Okay, that's it for our video today. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.